One of the most disruptive and damaging threats you may have heard of on the news is ransomware. Ransomware is where cyber criminals completely lock up your computer system and then demand that you pay a large amount of money to regain access to your files. We need to trust that they keep their word and release the hold they have on your business, but it's really hit or miss at this point. Hi, my name is Tom Andrulis, CEO of Intelligent Technical Solutions, and my role is really open up my eyes to the cybersecurity threats out there. There are 4 important tips we have come up with that can help your organization defend itself against these kinds of threats. Tip number 1, train your team members to spot suspicious emails and attachments. Our people are the first line of defense against cybercrime. There's no spam filter or email technology smarter than the human mind. Many MSPs offer a security awareness training service that provides your employees with the familiarity and know-how to spot suspicious behavior and stop cyber threats in their tracks. Business email compromise is one of the primary methods for cybercriminals to gain access to your organization. In fact, nearly 70% of infections are now coming through email-based attacks. And with the right mixture of people, process, and technology, you can reduce that risk with important human-based defenses. Tip number 2, have a reliable backup in place. Since the dawn of computing, there have been IT professionals advising organizations to back up their data regularly and responsibly. There are backup strategies like the 3-2-1 method, which recommends keeping 3 sets of backups in 2 different types of storage mediums and ensuring that 1 copy is stored off-site from your local systems. The off-site backup copy located in a separate network would allow you to restore your systems and data in the event of a ransomware attack. Because ideally, the attackers wouldn't have access to that off-site location as it's in a separate network. Now, tip number 3, install all updates, patches, and upgrades. Some of the cybersecurity terminology you may not be familiar with is vulnerabilities and exploits. Vulnerabilities are weak points in a software or system configuration that cyber criminals can leverage to their advantage. Now, the method of attacking a vulnerability is called an exploit. The easiest way to protect yourself from most vulnerabilities is to keep up to date with the latest system patches and updates. Most vendors release regular patch updates. For example, Microsoft releases patches on a monthly cadence. And many vendors publish immediate security fixes to address any newly discovered vulnerability. Best practice is to keep up to date with all of these items within 14 days of their release or as soon as reasonably possible. And finally, tip number 4, reach out and get a free cybersecurity audit from Intelligent Technical Solutions. We have professionals on standby who talk the talk and walk the walk. We can safely review your environment and help identify and prioritize areas of technological risk. Speak to us today and let's talk soon. Thanks for watching this video. Here at ITS, we help businesses thrive by managing their technology.